The total maximum daily load for the South Umpqua River was completed by DEQ, resulting in more stringent requirements on Roseburg Urban Sanitary District's effluent discharge.
It was in the 90s, middle 90s, when Doug Zener was our former manager then before Ron. And Doug knew that at some point in time we were going to have to do something with our water.
In response, the district developed a natural treatment system, NTS, for the polishing of treated effluent from their wastewater treatment plant.
They got to talking about this natural treatment system. We'd never heard of it, and a lot of people in Oregon had never heard of it. And the C.H. Doom Hill made some presentations to us, and we thought, what the heck, it's really innovative, it's green. And the thing that really impressed the board was the difference in cost.
A conventional treatment plant upgrade was estimated to cost $100 million, with an annual operations and maintenance cost of $6 million. The district was able to complete the NTS project, including land acquisition, for less than $10 million, with an annual operations and maintenance cost of less than $2 million.
The natural treatment system utilizes soil contact, wetlands, and plant uptake and evaporation to deal with not only our effluent flow, but also polishing the effluent.
So we pump it up to a constructed wetland. That's the first area it comes to, and it's got planted with cattails and a number of wetland species. So that's the first filtration that we're doing of the effluent. From there it flows by gravity into a large pond, which is a holding reservoir for the pumping station. The pumping station consists of 3 pumps. 2 pumps pump to what we call the low level, and 1 pump pumps to the high level. Reason for that is the hydraulic needs to get water to the high level, several hundred feet above the pump station, require a larger pump. So it's split into those areas. So in that low level, at the bottom next to the creek are wetlands, some of them naturally occurring, some of them we've enhanced, and some of them we've built. From there it goes into an area called the upland. In the upland areas we're actually irrigating. We're irrigating with microspray irrigation and also with drip. As we get closer to property lines and as we get closer to the roadway that traverses through the property, which some of our neighbors use, we use a drip irrigation system. In the other areas we use a spray. From there it goes up into the lower forested land, and then there's kind of a demarcation where now we jump into the high level. And the high level for the most part is pasture land and forested land, and those are also treated in the same way. Majority of it is microspray with some drip irrigation through it.
The NTS is having a positive effect on not only the dissolved oxygen and pH levels in the South Umpqua River during the hot summer months, but also provides additional environmental benefits to the river.
The unique thing about the natural treatment system, because it's nature, it's going to change over time, and things are going to increase in their growth, and so it's this total evolving system. Every year we will evaluate the operation, we will tweak it up and down a little bit so that we're putting out the most efficient and best product back to the river that we can.
I think when people realize that if we had settled for building just a conventional treatment plant upgrade, that it would have cost $100 million versus being able to say that it was under $10 million, that's a trade-off of 90 cents on the dollar we saved. And anyone can look at that and go, oh, I like that deal. That's good for us. And it's good for us, it's good for our ratepayers, it's good for the economy that is sluggish at the present time, it's good for the environment. We feel that our natural treatment system is actually doing a better job than what a mechanical upgrade at the plant would do. And so it's a win-win all the way around.